How to clear cache in Android. If your music app is running slow, lagging, or consuming extra storage, it's usually due to accumulated cache files. In this video, I'll show you a quick and effective way to clear cache in your Android music app and improve performance. First, open your settings and scroll down to Apps. Tap on it, and here you will see App Management. Go ahead and select it. Now, from the list of installed apps, find and tap on your music app. After opening it, go to Storage Usage. Here, you will see the app's storage details, including cache and data usage. Simply tap on Clear Cache. This will remove temporary files that may be causing glitches without affecting your songs, downloads, or personal settings. Once done, everything will be optimized and your app should run much smoother. You may notice faster loading and improved playback performance right away. And that's it. Your music app cache has been successfully cleared in just a few steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more simple Android tips and quick fixes.